that in there. Okay, we're gonna put the cover back on, okay?
Where's the sugar bin?
Got some.
Yep, we
You
gotta leave it in here
did.
because we gotta use it. Where's the sugar? This
Which
is
one has
flour.
sugar in it?
This is
Want me to just get the bucket?
This is little.
It is little.
little.
I got some.
You
You
got
did
some.
get some.
I'll get some. I got some.
All
Can you
right.
put it back in here? Because we're gonna need it. Good job. Okay. We're gonna scoop some sugar in. Do you want to dump the sugar in? Ready? Good job.
Is that all the sugar?
Yep.
Okay.
Then we need some baking powder.
You gonna let him try some sugar?
Seriously?
Are you crazy? That's enough suggestions out of you.
Oh, this is the one that we need.
I got some.
Yeah, now we have to use this to scoop the baking powder.
Do you want another one?
This will work.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you can help Auntie.
We gotta sift it.
Shake.
What's this?
I can tell you.
Yeah, we gotta do 3 of these. You ready to count with me? There's 1. Dump it in. Good. Okay, we gotta do 2 more.
Benny can do it.
Benny can do it. Okay, you hold it.
Benny hold.
Yep. Good. Okay, dump this one in.
Benny can do it.
Okay,
It's a little short.
I know. Dump it in. 2. We gotta do 1 more. Be careful. This is the last one.
Okay.
Benny can do it.
Okay. Right
Put
in
it
the
in
bowl.
here.
Yay!
Okay.
One more.
Okay.
Now you can help Auntie shake, okay?
No, we need salt first.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
That's what we do when we bake. We dump, huh?
Oh,
Whoa!
oh,
Oh, oh.
That would have been too much. We just need a little bit.
Yeah, just a minute. Okay. Help Auntie with the salt.
Easy, easy, buddy.
Hold on.
Benny can
Okay.
do it.
Yeah, Grandma's gonna help you.
Benny can do it.
Okay.
That's good. That's good. Okay, dump it in now.
Benny can
Yeah,
do
Benny
it.
can
Yes.
do it. Turn it over. There you go. There, that's all the salt we need.
Okay. Do you want to stir it up?
Oh,
Mix it a little. Can you use your spoon and mix it?
I got some.
Yep.
Mhm.
Can you help me mix it?
Benny can do that.
Okay, mix it with this one.
Oh, Benny can do that?
But you have to leave it in the bowl. You stir it in the bowl. There you go. I think we need to put the butter in next. You watching?
Leave the flour in there though, okay? You can stir it, but we just have to leave it inside the bowl.
I want some more. I want some cheese.
Okay, maybe a little bit later, okay?
And mix it.
Yeah, you can use that to mix it.
You watch Auntie Sarah for a little bit? I'm gonna break it into pieces.
This.
That's the sieve.
Can you see through it?
Hi.
Oh, no, we don't
Yeah,
want to squish
It
it.
does squish, doesn't it?
Hey, do you want to help? You put your hand on here. You can push, push, push.
Benny can do it.
Can we do it together?
But I can do that.
All right. Oh.
And you can do
We
it.
gotta
A
do
little
it
too,
gently,
little
though.
too vigorous.
A little softer.
But
Can you use both your hands?
Both. Benny should use both
Can you
hands.
put both your hands on the handle? There you
That
go.
away.
Now push. Push down.
Push hard. There you
Oh.
go. Good job. Do it again.
Pick it up. Now push. There.
Okay.
But you can do it.
Do you need the chips divided or?
Yeah.
But
Good job.
We're gonna stir with the spatula. After we get this in, then we're gonna mix in some cream and some eggs.
look awesome.
Yep, can you leave it in the bowl? There we go. Nope. Can you stand up on the bottom part though? So you can slide. There you go. What are you reaching?
Oh, the tiny one.
That is a tiny one.
And you,
What are you gonna use it to do?
oh, got some.
Yep, put it back in the bowl, please. Alright.
Oh, your side. Can you get down on the bottom step? Thank you.
You got some little
Yep.
butt.
Put it back in the bowl,
I
please.
got some little butt.
Can you put it in the bowl, please?
Okay, time for the cream and eggs.
Where's the egg? Where's the egg?
Eggs are in the fridge.
Yeah, where are the eggs at?
Yeah. Scoot you back here. Grandma's got to get the scale out. You want to move them back a little bit?
Just divide it in half. It's not, it doesn't have to be all exact.
Do you have? Careful.
And then we're gonna crack 3 eggs.
Mm,
You wanna count?
But you can do it. And you can do it.
1,
Did you say one?
And you can do that. Then you can do
Is Benny gonna crack an egg?
Mhm.
okay. Auntie's gonna help you though, okay? Here we go. Yep.
Good job.
Pickle crunch. 3.
One more.
That's all. We just need 3. Now we're gonna mix them. What color are they?
Yellow.
Mm-hmm. Is that making a slurpy noise? How does that taste? Is
Is
that
that good? Yeah, we're gonna wait though.
What's more?
I do know.
We have to put them in the scones though.
What?
Are those yummy?
What?
Yeah. In a little bit, we'll get them down. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna mix the eggs and the cream now. And we're gonna pour it together.
Yeah, we're gonna wait till the cream and the eggs get in.
I want
They'll come in after this part.
number one. The one.
In just in a little bit, okay?
I want to.
Okay, we're gonna make a little spot for all this stuff. And we're gonna pour it
I
in.
want that.
Ben, can you help me pour?
Jump.
Nope, we're gonna pour this into that. Ready? Here we go.
It's milk.
It is milk.
Mm.
Does it smell good?
I want that.
Okay, time to stir.
Yep, and just a little bit.
Okay. You can put
As
this.
soon as Auntie's done stirring, then we'll get
No,
the
you
chips.
can put it in now.
Are you ready? Okay, are you gonna dump them in for Auntie? Okay, take one and then dump them in, please.
Wait, how many was that? Was that one?
That was one handful.
I think one made it in the mouth, the rest
Okay.
went down the apron.
Let's put them in the scones.
Can you dump this now?
Those have to go in here.
Hey. That's all the samples you get there,
Okay.
buddy.
You want to help me?
Okay, we're done. You're done. You're banned.
We're gonna make some more.
Yeah, I think you like those, huh? Are those yummy?
Are you making one batch or two?
Good for a second batch.
What is Daddy doing? What's Daddy doing? Is he making a video?
Yeah, I know, I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put them on the counter now. Can you move your spoon? Can you move the tiny spoon? Thank you.
A little bit later. Oh, I'm supposed to need a pizza cutter, huh?
Yeah, something. Are you snitching? Gotta squish it together. Can you help me squish? Don't eat them though. They are nummy, but we're gonna eat them in the scones. You gonna help me squish? Oh, you got one.
Gotta be quick. Gotta be quick with those cinnamon chips. Little vulture. You already had like 20 or 30.
Okay. Now
You're not even gonna have any room for lunch at this point.
We gotta pat it out and then cut it because we gotta bake them. We gotta put them in the oven. You wanna do this one? Okay. Does it smell good? No, don't seal them. Yeah, well, we gotta bake them. They'll taste better once we bake them.
It's yummy.
Yeah, let's get a little bit more flour. Hold up there, buddy. Yeah, hold up.
Oh, honey, no.
Num num.
Just wait. Okay, Ben, here we go.
We'll wait. Yeah, we'll wait.
Num
Can you
num.
push it down? Ben, watch. Can you push it down? Nope, this one.
Num
Yeah.
num
I
num.
really like that one. Can you push it down for me? Use your hand.
It's yummy.
Yeah. Wait, please.
I'm just thinking about using
It's
my mouth.
yummy.
It is yummy.
I like some.
We gotta bake them first. Yep, we're done with that for now. Okay.
All right.
Oh.
Okay, gonna make some cuts.
No.
Can I help?
Good job. Now this way. One more. This way. Whoa, good job. Now we have 8.
Yep. Now Grandma's gonna put that over here.
Look at that.
Yeah, we'll cut that one in a little bit.
Gonna put these on the tray. Oh, thank you. Oh, you want to bake a big giant scone? Yeah.
Well,
Oh.
I guess we're gonna get that one raw.
A bite.
You did bite it, didn't you?
A bite.
How's it taste?
Should we cook that one up for you so you can eat the rest of it?
Put that.
Num num.
Let's put it back on the tray. It's really good.
We're gonna cook that one. That one is banned.
Wait, I have to put the corn.